Today we're gonna explode firecrackers underwater.
Firecrackers underwater? Back up a little bit. Firecrackers underwater?
Hooray!
I'm gonna use this one that was already
Ready?
in there.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm zoomed in on the bucket.
Zoomed in on the bucket.
That was awesome.
More!
That's cool. That was,
Mom, you're scared of it.
that was cool. The water under the porch.
Oh, it's hot.
It is?
Oh, well, that's because I put hot water in there.
Alright, here we go, another one.
Smells
Another
like
one.
Move, Ashley.
you don't want to drink that water.
Bloop.
You can go that way.
Oh!
Jesus.
No, it's hard to hold more than one.
Let's do 14.
Are we just seeing how long it takes for it to break?
Oh,
That
nah.
one was a
That
good
one.
That was like this.
It is soaked over here.
Break?
That was cool.
I think it's because it stayed on the bottom longer. I waited.
Here, don't use any more of
So we
those.
can do it again.
Stay back, I gotta go.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna do more, or should I end the video? Nope. Jesus, that makes me
bubbling.
blink every time. Oh, bubbling. I need to get a top shot of that then.
You just throw it in after you light it.
I don't know.
Cliff, let me get a top shot of that. It's bubbling.
Oh, now the water's like that.
Here, we'll put some more water in there.
Wait, can I sit right here
It's like
so I can get a top?
What?
Mom, why are you watching behind the door?
Cliff, can I sit right here?
Here we go, here we
to
go.
get
here
the
we
top?
Go, here we go.
It's bubbling.
holy crap.
That freaking popped my ears. That popped my ears.
I guess that's what happens when it floats, so let's not wait.
I gotta hold it.
That popped my ears.
All right,
Maybe we
I gotta-
should put it in the yard and see if we can shoot buckets.
Cliff, that popped my ears.
Oh, that was lame.
That was a
We
dud.
should put it in the yard and throw them like basketballs.
Yeah, like,
I got Ashley out there, so I want to try to pick it up.
Good point. Where'd Titan go? Back under the...
Yeah, he's scared.
he's like,
3
it's
minutes. Should I
smoking
stop
now.
it? It's 3 minutes.
It's... Cliff is smoking.
Smoking.
Pop them with your mouth. Yay. Wait, pop them. Okay, here we go.
I want it to bounce again.
We need something better. Do a
like
rocket.
get 2 at a time, that works.
Actually...
Do a rocket again. For YouTube. Oh, it knocked it. That's what.
That's the end of that.
Let's go mini.
Not, I can go
It
for it.
bounced.
Bouncing rock.
That's the end of this.